Hello, quick and dirty Python, but this time with some salt of Gentoo. So the thing is that this book, this Skillful 4 third edition, is a new book, and so I couldn't download it from some shady Russian website. Alright, so how do you fix it? Well, you buy the book, unfortunately, but you know I'm poor, so we split the costs in three. And I was to take the online book with my friend together, and someone else took the paper one. Well, the problem is that this digital book is only a license for a year, and they are going to take it away from me. Unlike the paper book, or I don't know something, and they will go and take that person and take the book away from her. I don't know. But they definitely will lock the access to this book. And well, the goal is to copy it all. It's 168 pages, and you know, it's like clicking 1, 2, 3, and doing a screenshot. So here a screenshot, then a screenshot, and so on. And then it would be ideal to cut the page. So, well, obviously for this you would do a macro, like every normal person. So I went ahead, measured the size of the screen. I don't want to show the URL because it has some data that could identify my account. So that's why I'm not showing higher here the URL, but I can show you that this page is cut. And so that is the page how I decided to cut it. And then it was time to find a way to do it, and well, the easiest will be a Python script. I hate on Python, but I actually started to understand its usefulness. But I hate it because people use it for actual real software, and it shouldn't be used. It should be used for tasks like this. So I made a quick PyAuto GUI program. So here 5 saves are set, and then I sleep for 5 seconds to turn on the page. And here I will change the range to higher, but I just want to show how the process looks like. And here I have, I can even format it. Oh, no, F3 doesn't work. And here I name the pages and save it as a PNG. So a very simple program just clicks on the next arrow, waits a little because the internet has to load the page, and then takes a screenshot of the region and saves it. Alright, but that's not all the story. There was a previous video where I have shown how you make a Gentoo ebuild, because first you have to put the PyAuto GUI and other Python software I use here, the dependencies also, to Portage. Portage doesn't have it, and I don't want to use it, install it through pip. But once I made this PyAuto GUI ebuild, then the rest is just a copy because they are from the same author, so it's not a problem. So a copy and paste mostly, with just the change that this author just sometimes normalizes the package name, and sometimes, like here, normalizes the URL name but not the package name, and here it's just like PyAuto GUI. So this is a nasty thing, and I've also learned that PyAuto GUI works but not always, and so I made here a use flags for screenshot, message box, and twinning. Screenshot I think is generally useful, so I made it the default with the plus, and then I put the dependencies for other use flags. And also when putting use flags you have to put a metadata file with the use flags descriptions. And well, that's it. I also learned that you need scrot to be installed, so I added it to the dependencies here. It isn't committed yet. I think I have installed scrot by a one shot. This is me looking what you need, and I've learned that you can do scrot instead of GNOME screenshot. This author, like here in the top, acknowledges you might not have the which command if there is no which program. He acknowledges the fact that there can be no which program, but here in his description, he assumes everybody uses GNOME or uses a Debian-based distro, which is very silly for me, but whatever. So if we exit, so I won't show you the pies. Oh, here, these are errors. So this is the first error because I didn't put PyScript. Then I put all the modules in, and then I learned that you need this. So I had to go and look because I don't want GNOME screenshot on my computer. I went looking for this function, and then I found that you can use scrot. And then, well, after a few slight modifications, I got the program to a working condition. And so for this little short video, we can test it. So I will take it to here. Then I will take it to my second screen so I can see when it finishes. As well, I can run it. Maybe we will know. So I run and put here. And as you can see, it goes to the next page, makes some screenshots, waits a moment, and goes to another page. Okay, I think it has finished, and so it did. Then we can look into the directory and see our nice pages. So 2 to 3, 4 to 5, we can also open them with GIMP. And as you can see, the pages screenshots are here. And well, that will be it for this video because it is very short, a very easy task. I spent a lot of time actually trying to get the libraries, but if you get the libraries in Python, everything is very simple, and that's one lesson to learn from today. That if you have libraries, everything is possible for you. Of course, the performance doesn't matter in a scripting language, to be honest, and also that's why I again hate on Python, because people use it for tasks which require performance, and people still use Python. So yeah, but well, that will be it, and bye for now.